Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to schedule power on or off on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know, that schedule power on or off on a phone is allow you to automatically turn your device on or off at specific time. And this feature is useful for conserving battery life, avoiding distraction, and ensuring you don't forget to power off your phone before bed. And how to schedule the power off or on is very easy. So yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do, now go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to about battery menu, and then after that now you can go to additional features, and then here the schedule power on or off, and now you can turn it on, and also you can adjust when the phone is scheduledly power on and when the phone is turned off. And then so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.